Okay guys, mag-impake tayo guys. Meron tayong travel vlogs. Ang next na vlog natin guys is travel vlogs. Abangan nyo. Impake lang kami. Saan natin buksan? Diyan muna kayo guys habang nag-impake kami.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are
So, yun guys, alis tayo ngayon guys. So, double check ko lang yung mga gamit namin. Yan. Itong bag namin, dala ko na rin yung bag yung gamit ni Mrs. kasi bale dadaanan ko na lang siya sa trabaho. Pumasok po kasi siya. So ako na lang magdadala. So wala naman ang naiwan dito. Yun. So alis na tayo. Alright guys.
I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it, you gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scared.
So yan guys. Baba tayo. Abang tayo ng abangan natin yung binok nating grab sa basement. Yan. Malapit na. Pasok na siya dito. Okay guys, so dito na tayo sa may work ni Mrs. Hintayin lang natin siya dito. May pasok pa kasi siya. So kailangan na dumiretso na ako dito para hindi na siya uwi sa bahay. So wait lang muna ako dito. Maya pa yung labas niya. So okay guys. Siya guys, dito na siya. Alis na kami.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see your eyes, your head is full of
Guys, kain muna kami dito guys.
failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be
nandito na kami. Ah, welcome to Bali guys.
Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali guys. So kakalagpas lang namin ng immigration after kong magpalpak-palpak doon guys.
Magaling kasi siya.
Tapos naiinis na siya kanina.
Dire-diretso ka.
Yung pag-fill up lang guys ng ano, ng visa exemption.
Scan kasi kayo yung QR code for visa on arrival.
Visa exemption.
Oo, visa exemption.
Eh yung cellphone ko naman kasi ayaw mag-connect.
Hindi yung cellphone yung problema. Dire-diretso siya dun sa counter. Kala niya parang
Ayan.
Singapore.
Medyo natagalan. So at least ngayon nandito na kami. Ang una namin hahanapin eh mag withdraw kasi wala kaming pera dito. So maghahanap muna kami ng withdrawhan. Ay, palabas pa lang pala to. Mag-scan pa?
By phone, the computer same.
We have to go there.
You can do it by computer, you can do it by your phone. And this.
Okay, so balik na lang ako pag nakalabas na kami dito. May ano pa pala, scan. Right guys. Yan guys, after ng kung ano-anong ano doon. Dito na kami sa labas. Hanap kami ng mawi-withdrawhan.
Ni Princess kasi kasama.
Disney princess daw ako guys. Siya kasi lahat gumagawa.
Disney Princess yung
Siya kasi
kasama.
lahat gumagawa eh. I-withdraw muna kami guys. Guys, nag-withdraw siya ng 2.5 million.
Mayaman tayo dito guys. Milyonaryo tayo.
Dali lang maging milyonaryo dito guys. Bili naman tayo ng SIM card guys. After mag-withdraw ng pera, SIM card naman. SIM card.
Guys, mahal yung SIM card. 250,000.
By cash or card?
Card.
250k.
Card.
By card, yeah? For 2 is 500,000.
250k.
Can I collect the
500,000.
payment first?
Sure.
Pwede card? Card ko na lang baby.
Sabari cheese.
Okay guys, on the way na kami guys sa hotel namin.
Yes.
Anong feeling?
Pagod. Parang Pilipinas din. Init.
Hindi naman, sakto lang yung init. Pero ano pala dito, marami pala sila dito ano, pinapagawa sa airport.
Hindi lang kasi kami nag-research kung ano ang kailangan.
Wala, basta sabak lang kasi.
Nag-book lang tapos punta na.
Basta nag-book lang kami tapos pumunta dito, may mga ano pa pala sa immigration. Okay
Madali
guys.
lang naman. Siya lang nahirapan guys.
You can do whatever